Hi everyone, I'm Riyanka and you're watching the Riyanka Talkies. Okay, so today I haven't done any makeup and you might be shocked why. Because today I'm going to film a get ready with me video. I'm going to do my makeup on camera and I'll show how I create my look with this sari I'm wearing. So please keep on watching.
I am applying foundation on my skin. I am shaking the foundation because my foundation is a serum based foundation. Now I'll dab the foundation into my skin with the help of a beauty blender, and I'll apply the foundation on my neck and my ears so that my face and my body looks even toned. Now I will apply cream contour because I like to do double contouring. I have a round and pale face and I lack dimension, so I like doing double contouring to give my face a chiseled look. And please pardon me for the weird pout I'm making, like I'm looking so horrible right now. And sorry for making that weird pout face while contouring because that is the way I actually identify my shadow lines of the face. So I'm really sorry if I'm making you laugh with that horrible, pout of mine. Now I will apply a bit of concealer to my upper eyelid and my under eye. Though I don't have dark circles, but then concealer, helps my under eye from creasing. And concealer is very important if you're planning to apply eyeshadow because concealer helps in popping up the colors of eyeshadow. Concealer helps as a good base for eyeshadows, so concealer is very important. Now I will apply some powder to my face to lock the cream products on their place because due to the heat the cream products tend to become runny. So applying powder over your cream product is very important to lock them in their place. Now I will bake my under eyes with some talcum powder because that helps my under eye from creasing and keeps my concealer on place. Now I'm taking an eyeshadow palette, and eyeshadow is my favorite part of the makeup. I love doing eyeshadows. So I have taken a dark brown color and I'm placing it all over my lid. But remember not to go above your crease line. Place the color just below your crease line. Don't go above your crease line, and buff your color all over your lid so that it you know looks even. Buff properly and blend it well, because blending is the actual game changer when you're doing an eyeshadow. Blending is very important. Now I'm taking a burnt orange color which is a bit lighter shade than the previous one, and I am placing it on my crease and I am buffing it with you know the other brown color that I have placed earlier. I am mixing both the colors. Mix it in a way so that it forms a shading kind of an effect. I'm placing the orange color just above my crease and place a bit of color just under your waterline. Don't go all the way, just at the beginning of your waterline place a bit of color and blend properly. You can do it with any color, but the colors should belong from the same color family. And now I am placing a bit of kajal. Sorry, my kajal broke, so yeah, now I am placing a bit of kajal. Now to form a smudged liner look, You need to smudge the kajal just like a liner, but don't smudge it too much, and form a small wing. You can also go for a longer wing, but I prefer a small winged liner with this look. So I'll smudge it a bit and I'll form a smudged look, and I'll do the same with the lower waterline. I'll smudge the line kajal on my lower waterline, and with the help of the same smudger brush I'll smudge it all over my waterline. Smudging gives a very deep and sensuous effect to the eyes, and it looks very good on the eyes. I'll do the same thing with the second eye, and now I'm going to take the same colors that I have applied on my upper lid, and with the help of the smudger brush I'll smudge it on my waterline. Keep it close to the waterline, don't drag it much. Now I'll buff out the powder that I had applied for baking. And after I buff out the powder, I'll again smudge my under eye with the black kajal. Actually, not the under eye, my waterline. I'll buff the waterline with my smudger brush. Now I will do a bit of contouring again. Like I told you before that I love doing double contouring. So I'm placing some bronzer just above the portion where I had applied cream contour before. I think I have dragged the contour a bit too much into my cheeks. So later on I will clean the area out. Yeah, I need to clean my contour a bit. I have just dragged it into my cheeks. So here I am cleaning it up a bit. Well, please remember that I am not a professional makeup artist, and yeah, I don't have very professional techniques, but these techniques do work for me. Now I'm applying coral colored blush, and I really like coral colors on me. I don't really prefer pink blush. I don't know why, but I love corals. I don't go for pinks. Like, coral colors tend to look more natural on me rather than pink. And now I'm applying highlighter. I usually use my fingers to apply highlighter. That works better than a brush for me. You can also use a fan brush. I will apply it on my nose, my cheekbones, my eyebrow bone, and on my cupid's bow. Though I'm not a big highlighter person, I don't use very stark highlighters that are just on the face. I like to use light highlighters. Now I will apply lipstick, and this lipstick is one of my favorite lipsticks. It is like so smooth and soft. I love this lipstick. This one is from Sugar. Now I will apply loads of mascara on my lashes because I don't wear false lashes. False lashes tend to irritate my eyes, so I prefer using mascara and I don't go for false lashes.
I'm done with my makeup and I hope you have liked my makeup. Well, this is a very beginner friendly makeup because I have been told by many people to create a look that is very easy for beginners. So I have done this and I hope I have been helpful to everybody who is starting with makeup. So if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you're thinking why I haven't done my brows, because I have got rashes over there, so I don't want to irritate my brows anymore. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, take care. I'll see you soon.